Hello friends, today we are going to know about classroom rules which are essential for every student. Please follow one by one here. Listen to the teacher or adult. You should listen to the teacher carefully while he or she teaching the subject. Listen to others. Please listen to others while discussing extensive topics because they will help us. Put your hand up if you want to speak or answer. While class is going on a particular topic, put your hand up if you want to speak or answer. We keep our hands or feet to ourselves. Please make sure that your feet or hands should not contact others. Respect each other. We should respect each other during class hours in order to maintain a good communication. Respect other people's property. Of course, if you respect other people's property, they will respect your property. Take care of our equipment. Every equipment of school or you is necessary so that we supposed to take care of our equipment. Bring the right equipment to our classroom. We should not bring unwanted things to classroom unnecessarily. Bring only useful equipments. Use kind words. It must be followed by everyone. I suggest all the students to speak only kind words. Don't use abused words. Concentrate. Teachers usually teaches classes, but if the student doesn't concentrate on a topic, he will not receive the subject. Finish our work on time. If the work is assigned by the teacher, we should finish it on time certainly. Treat people the way you would like to be treated. Appreciate those who supported you, forgive those who hurt you, help those who need you. Be a good friend to everyone. A friend in need is a friend indeed because friendship is a good culture. Follow directions from others. Teachers or elders usually suggest us to follow valuable things. We should respect them. Always tell the truth. I strongly suggest that every student should speak truth only, and we have to avoid speaking lies. Enjoy our learning. Teachers teach lessons perfectly for the benefit of students, so we should enjoy and learn carefully. Show manners at all times. A good mannered person is always appreciated and respected by people. Be polite. Be polite to everyone. If someone is treating you wrong or unfairly, being polite will only make them look bad. Be on time. As we all know that time is precious. While coming to class or school, we should be there on time. Share with others. This is a good habit for everyone. If we know any valuable information, please share with our friends. Keep the classroom tidy. Classroom is a sacred place. We should not throw papers or dust here and there. Clean the classroom when we have finished working. We have to clean our classroom after classes are finished. Line up quietly and smartly. While going to assembly or coming to classroom, we should line up quietly and smartly. Always work hard. If we work hard, we will get the best result. So, work hard always. Be happy. In order to receive the best knowledge from our teachers, please always be happy during class hours. Try to make others happy. Great people always respect others. Decent people speak politely. So, this is how we have to try to make others happy. Wear smile. While talking to the teacher or the student, wear a smile on your face consistently. Thank you so much.